Find or read reviews that people are talking about Subry Chefy Countertop Blender Pro, 2000 watt. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The 2026 Countertop Blender features high-performance 2000 watt copper brushless motor, delivers stable, consistent power at up to 28,000 rpm, plus and or minus 10%, engineered to last 5x longer than standard blender motors. Perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, shakes, baby food, and more. This professional-grade countertop blender combines power and durability for everyday kitchen use. Backed by a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Our blender features 25 adjustable speed settings, offering unmatched versatility in the kitchen. Unlike other blenders with only 5 speeds, this countertop blender gives you precise control for blending everything from soft fruits to tougher ingredients, ensuring perfect results every time. The pulse button provides an instant boost to maximum speed, making even the toughest blending tasks effortless. Ideal for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Our blender features a 6-blade titanium head for superior performance. Compared to standard 4-blade designs, it blends more efficiently. This cutting-edge design not only improves blending efficiency but also extends the lifespan of the blades, making it a reliable choice for all your culinary needs. The 68 ounces BPA-free blending container is dishwasher safe and designed for convenience and durability. Perfect for making smoothies, juices, purees, sauces, soups, and both hot and cold dishes. This professional-grade blender handles all your kitchen creations with ease. This blender offers 2 convenient cleaning options. Use the self-cleaning program by adding warm water and a drop of dish soap. The blender cleans itself in 60 seconds or less. For a deeper clean, the BPA-free container and blades are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and effortless. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.